Alright guys, so we're about to see a train that's going to be, we're currently on South 3rd Street, and we're about to see a train in action, railroad crossing in action apparently. See, there's a train that's actually standing apparently. We're going to try to get a train in action if we can. There's currently a train that's currently stopping. Crossing should activate apparently. There's going to be a train that's crossing, should be activating apparently, possibly, I think. Let me cut off my engine here. Let's go and gouge the car in. And there it is right there. See if we're going to get a railroad crossing in action here. So you guys remember I filmed this crossing here back in March here, which was at night, and now it's going to be a daytime. In the meantime, we'll get a look at the crossing here while the train is going to stay there for now. So this is a view of the crossing here. And I was actually right, that is a WCA's mechanical bell up top. And the one on the other side right there has an E bell right there. It's a Harman cantilever, as you can see there. These are Harman lights. And there's our boy still standing there. It looks like he's still standing there for the looks of. Alright guys, we got a railroad crossing in action here. Let's go over there and catch a train. I knew this was going to have a railroad in action here. Oh, looks like he's reversing apparently. Yeah, looks like he's reversing. Well, there you have it, guys. There's your railroad crossing action here. As soon as when that train is leaving, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. See, apparently it looks like the train is switching tracks, apparently. Yep, the train, as you can see, is already switching tracks. You can see there. I knew that we'd get to see a railroad crossing in action here. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed a railroad crossing in action video. As you can see here, here's a view of the crossing mechanism, as you can see there. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that will be it.